Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the fourth layout from my August Stash Made kit. Here are all the items in the kit. Here are the items that I have pulled out. I had that one piece of watercolor cardstock that I had used to soak up some of my mixed media, and I went ahead and attached my picture to that just because I thought it looked fabulous. These are the pictures that we are going to use. I did cut around that, and I'm using that as the border for my page. We're going to use that white cardstock right there. I am following a sketch if you caught that at the beginning of the video. And now I'm just kind of figuring out what I want to do. I do love this brick page. The picture that I am scrapping is of me and my fiance, and he wants to build our coffee table in our living room, and I have absolutely no problem with that. He is really into trains because he's a real big dork. No, I'm just playing. He likes all kinds of little trains and stuff, so he wants to make a coffee table that has a train running in it. So he was going to build it, but then he was on Facebook Marketplace and he's seen the perfect table that he can sand and manipulate. And it was relatively cheap, and it already had the glass insert, so that's what we were on our way to get. However, when we got it home, he did break the glass, so funny. Now I'm just trimming down my pattern papers here. And this is, I believe this is all, I think this is all Amy Tangerine. Oh, yeah, this is all Amy Tangerine papers from the paper pads that I had sitting around. Just trying to use up, that's what the Stash Made kit is all about, trying to use up items that are just here and there and aren't still in a collection that I have separated out, or just just paper, and I'm making some of my stash items go with it. So, I don't know, it's fun. And I really do love the series that I have going, because I've always been the type of person that I hate having partially used stashes or collections, page kits laying around. If I start working in a collection, I want to use it until there's, I really can't get another layout out of just that material. Now, that being said, I get bored very easily, and then it's hard for me to come in here and create. So my schedule that I have made for my channel, I basically, I guess I make the layouts in the order that I have to post them for the videos. Now I do grab stuff randomly throughout the month that I do not film, and just, create non-processed video layouts. But in order to keep it all in sync and me not lose my mind, I hop back and forth between Close to My Heart, the 3 collections that I'm currently creating with, because I am a Close to My Heart consultant, my masculine series where I have boy items, my Stash Made kit, which you're watching now, which is just random items from around my room, and my Take a Sketch and collection, which I absolutely adore. So, I have all these different collections, papers, items that are by no way, shape, or form in sync with the rest of them, and it really does give a variety into my channel. And I'm finding that I like this. I like the way that I'm currently doing it. I do try to post a video a day. Obviously, I'm trying to catch up now, but things happen. There's things that we needed to do around the house. We're currently in the process of cleaning out all the garages, which we do have several garages, and just getting rid of the stuff that has been in there. This was my grandparents' home before I bought it, and my grandpa apparently was a hoarder, so we're just getting the stuff out of there that we don't want and just making use of all the sheds on the property instead of not. Now what I'm doing here is I've got the base of my page laid down, and I'm just trying, the blue paper is just a hair, like literally a hair smaller than my photo and photo mat watercolor paper there, so I was just trying to get it so that it's not peeking out anywhere. And that little photo mat is just, like I said, I was making a mixed media layout, and that I sprayed and had a whole bunch of left over on my Tim Holtz mixed media mat and or Ranger mixed media mat. I don't know what it is, but I just take this. I usually just take the watercolor paper and soak it up, and it was this beautiful rainbow, and I just could not bring myself to mess it up or cut it out or do anything with it, so I just went ahead and used it as is. Now that is a cut apart, and it does have foam adhesive on the back of it. I had put the foam adhesive on it excuse me, for another layout, and I did not use it, so it was just stuck sitting over there. I went ahead and took the date sticker. It's for a planner, and it was the number 20, and since this is 2020, I just stuck that up there. I don't necessarily need the exact dates. I just need the year so that I can put it in the correct album when I do finally file. I did just file June and July's layouts. I can't really do anything with August because at the end of the month, you guys know that I go ahead and film a layout share of all the different layouts that I created in the month as a fun little recap. This little piece right here, I believe, says best friends or something to the effect, and he really is my best friend. He really is. He makes me laugh every day. Now I went ahead and these balloons had been sitting on that little blue dish for quite some time. And you know what? I'm going to use them. I'm going to make them work. The colors aren't an exact match. They are see-through, and you can see through the back of them. And I'm okay with all of this stuff. You know why? Because in the end, I like the way the layout turns out. Is it going to win any awards? Oh, God, no. Is it my favorite? Oh, God, no. But does it make me happy that the memory has been captured, documented, and is going to be in an album shortly? That makes me extremely happy, and that's really all that matters. I love you guys, and I love you guys for watching me, but we don't scrap for other people. I scrap for myself. I scrap for myself because it is a crafty release and outlet, and I absolutely love and adore it, and I do it for myself. Do I feel like these do people even really look at my scrapbooks? Sometimes. Does it bother me that they don't? No. The most albums that really do get looked at are the ones that I create for other people, which my sisters and my mother mostly, and my mini albums. I create mini albums for trips, and I always do an October daily and a December daily and stuff like that. But mostly it's therapeutic for myself. When I went through my divorce years ago, I started what I called a New Life monthly. And every month since the moment that my son's father left, each month I documented something that we did that month that we had never done. And, it turned out to be it's one of my favorite albums, and I have kept it going over the years. And each month I just document something big that happened to us. And that's fun. This year I decided for 2020 at the beginning of the year, I'm I'm going to do Project Life. Okay, well, COVID hit and we didn't do anything. I'm still doing my Project Life weekly, and it is up to date. It's just not exciting because we don't really do much. And you guys can all understand why. I'm going to go ahead and get some of these little heart stickers stuck around the page. There's some enamel ones. There's some puffy ones. There's some wood, some chipboard ones. I really like the way that it turned out. I do go back and put adhesive on the foam squishy ones and the enamel ones, but there is not too much more that I'm going to do to this layout. There's the BFF. The title of this is going to be called BFF Love. Oh, there's a fly up there. I hate flies. Anyway, not too much more that I'm going to go ahead and do to this layout. I do hope you enjoyed my layout. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you would like to see more from me. The bell will also notify you of when I upload. Hit that like button, and I do appreciate you guys.